Good morning. Today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul? I'm going to talk about my Italian jasmine. Now it's a variety of yellow jasmine, as you can see, and its proper name is Jasminum humile Revolutum, and it's native to the Himalayas, Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, and more. Now it was cultivated in parts of Europe, I think Greece, Italy, and so that's where it gets its name, Italian jasmine. Now the flowers are fragrant, a little bit different scent than like a pink jasmine, but they're really pleasant. I like them a lot. As you can see, the foliage is, well, I'll zoom in on the flower for you, but as you can see, the foliage is kind of nice and dark and leathery in a good way. And when the plant's young, it has kind of this really tender leaves that I don't see any pests. I don't observe any pests messing with this plant. It seems pretty happy in Southern California. Now it is an evergreen in our area in Southern California, San Diego, and it does really well in pots or in native soil like I have it here. Now it does need some sort of trellis support. It does grow 8 to 15 feet, so you can see it really likes to be on this fence here. I'll pan out for you. And it's really happy here under a canopy of trees. Now in terms of hardiness, it's hardy zone 8A to 11. And if you grow it in ground, it does like drainage, as you can see. Now, I like to add some Fox Farm potting soil, pumice, vermiculite, perlite into this mix. And so I just top dress the native soil every so often, and it looks like 2 drippers on it. So it's really happy. It's about 8 feet long. So it's definitely not picky about soil, and it will grow just, doesn't like to grow very tall unless it has some support. It likes to grow really wide. So again, I like the leaf structure as well. It's beautiful, and it blooms from the spring until, I would say, June or July. Now I do have another beautiful flower to compare this to, so let's see. There we go. And there. So you can see this, it's a beautiful flower, jasmine, and I can compare it to a pink jasmine. So this is in bloom this time of year as well, so that you can compare and contrast the two. Now they're both fragrant but unique. I definitely think pink jasmine is a little bit more pleasant in my opinion, but it doesn't bloom as often, but it's much more profuse. So you can check out our episode here. We'll add a link and you can check it out. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have yourself a wonderful day. Dude, it's creepy.